Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Booster, your favorite podcast for boosting your English skills. I'm your host, Sunny.
And I'm your co-host, Leo. Today we're diving deep into a topic that affects us all, for better or worse. Get ready to laugh and maybe even squirm a little.
That's right. Today's topic is habits.
Habits. The invisible strings that pull us through life. Some are like a warm, cozy blanket, and some are like that annoying alarm clock that just won't shut up.
Exactly. So, Leo, what's one habit you love and one you love to hate?
Oh, that's easy. I love my morning coffee habit. It's like a magical potion that transforms me from a zombie into a semi-functional human being. But the one I love to hate? My one more episode Netflix habit. It starts innocently, and then suddenly it's 3 a.m., and I'm questioning all my life choices.
Oh, the Netflix trap. I know it well. For me, a good habit is my daily walk. It clears my head. But a bad one, it's probably my checking social media every 5 minutes habit. My phone is practically glued to my hand.
Mine too. It's like our thumbs have a mind of their own. But seriously, habits, good or bad, shape our lives. They're like little programs running in the background.
Right. And the amazing thing about habits is we can actually change these programs. It takes effort, but it's possible. Think about building a good habit, like learning English.
A perfect segue to our topic. The importance of good habits for English learning. Let's face it, learning a language isn't a one-time magic trick. It's a marathon, not a sprint.
Absolutely. And small, consistent habits make all the difference. For example, instead of saying, I'm going to study English for 3 hours every day, which sounds exhausting.
Just thinking about it makes me want a nap.
Exactly. Try something like, I'll listen to an English podcast for 10 minutes every morning while I brush my teeth. Or I'll learn 5 new vocabulary words before bed.
Those are much more manageable. It's like building a house brick by brick. You don't just put up the whole wall at once.
Exactly. And here's the funny part about habits. They often start with a tiny, almost ridiculous action, like the put on your running shoes habit.
Oh, I know that one. My habit is put on my clean running shoes. If they're dirty, it's a nope, not today situation.
That's a very specific trigger. But the point is, once you start, even with something tiny, it gets easier. The hardest part is often just starting.
So true. It's like trying to push a giant boulder up a hill. The first push is the hardest, but once it starts rolling, it gains momentum.
And the same goes for breaking bad habits. It's not about suddenly stopping something completely. It's about replacing it with something else. For example, if you always reach for your phone when you're bored,
Guilty as charged.
instead, maybe try reaching for a short English article or opening your English Booster app. It's about redirection.
Smart. So, a bad habit isn't just gone, it's replaced. Like swapping out a sugary snack for a healthy one. It might not be as exciting at first.
But your body and your English skills will thank you later.
So, to our listeners, what's one small English habit you're going to start this week? Maybe listening to one English song a day, or saying hello to yourself in English in the mirror.
Great idea. And remember, even tiny habits create huge results over time. Don't underestimate the power of consistency.
Let's all try to make our habits our allies in English learning, not our enemies.
Fantastic advice, Leo. That's all the time we have for today on English Booster.
Keep practicing, keep boosting, and remember, small habits lead to big progress.
We'll catch you next time. Bye for now.
See ya!
That's all the time we have for today. Keep boosting your English skills, and we'll catch you next time. Bye for now.